Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing an unboxing. I have here something from Plants Wake You Up. I have a TopC or a PEI TopC, whatever, however you want to say it, whatever, it doesn't matter to me. Yeah, so let us just jump right into it and open this bad boy up and get right to it. So yeah, Plants Wake You Up is a second-hand website. So obviously the TopC is going to be second-hand. That doesn't matter to me. Okay, it opens this way. Aha. I got a thanks. Yay. Okay. It's a big bag. It's a big bag for a tiny little bag. Oh, I didn't get a Rice Krispie treat this time. Oh, that makes me sad. Every other time I've ordered from them, I've gotten a Rice Krispie treat. I guess they ran out. Well, let's open this tiny little bag. Ta-da! It looks nice. It looks so pretty. Swirly. Looks very nice. Sorry, trying to get my dog to stop doing stuff. Oh, they made the frowny face a little bubble. See how much it weighs before I compare it to anything. Well, we can do that and compare it to things, I guess. $9.9 compared to my titanium, which is 24. Compared to my white copper, which is 38.6. All right. All right, so I got these guys. Right now I have the ZZ plate in this, so it's not too much of a comparison. Although I can change it out. Real quick. I must have some really short springs in here. All right. I am getting the ZZ plate for this. I just don't have it yet. It's probably going to be here in a week or so. Man, it is tougher to turn. It's definitely stiffer. Like these, you can all just like zip right through. The metal ones, I mean, you can zip through this, but there is more, like you can like rip through this. But there is like more resistance for sure. Let's see, can I open this up? How do you open this up? Okay, there we go. Here's the inside. Clear. We got the balls there. Let's try to get a different sound. Just because I like to mess with these things like that. Let's just quieter. Huh. It just sounds really, I don't know. Silicon nitride. Not sure how I feel about that one. Okay, yeah, that was definitely quieter. Okay, so to make a quieter Ultim TopC, you need silicon nitride. So yeah, that was cool. So yeah, there we go. That was interesting. And that I will explore more of this, and I guess probably make another video about tuning this and all the different sounds that it can make, and yeah, so that'll be a different video because this was just an unboxing and I don't want to get too much into it because that'll be pretty lengthy. But yeah, this was the unboxing of the PEI TopC from Plants Wake You Up, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was kind of interesting. I do like the sound. Pretty snappy. So yeah, if you have any comments, or yeah, leave them in the comments. Please like the video if you like it. Please subscribe for more content. And I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah, have a great day, guys, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.